Guys, let's cook sapa rice. Ka anyị share na rice papa ome mgbe o ji na buy you. If you like, go dey cry say money no dey, that's why I no cook rice. I say make I use this one hold body as I dey wait for my rice. Iyatago. Ngban, you see this red oil, eh? This is my red oil. You can patronize me, but I will introduce it very soon. Use this red oil and cook everything cookable in your house. No dey say I no get groundnut oil na im make I no cook rice. No, my red oil will serve you better. Okay, I added ogiri and my fish. If you like, go dey cry say I no get fish o, I no get meat o, turkey o, chicken o, na im make I no cook rice. No, see, my rice is ready with red oil. Iyatago. Chip ha. Rice a na-apụgodo ọkụ na anụ nwa na-asọ odogwu. Adanna, just that odogwu never come. Ngwanụ bịanụ ka anyị kụọ ọnụ ngaji n'eze. Onye nụ be anyị o.